So here we have the 2020 differentiation question. One method of dyeing a piece of cloth is to immerse it in a container which has p grams of dye dissolved in a fixed volume of water. The cloth absorbs the dye at a rate proportional to the mass of the dye. dx dt is equal to k times p minus x. T is time, x is mass of dye absorbed, and we're given k here, 1 over 50. Find time here. To dye a piece of cloth, if a mass of 5/8 of P is needed to be absorbed to reach the desired color, and we're given this formula to help us integrate. So we're looking at dx dt is equal to this. So if I divide by P minus X, I'm going to get dx over P minus X is equal to K times dt. So if we integrate these, we need P, we need 5/8 P. I'm just going to write 5P over 8, and time will be between 0 and T. I'm looking for the time taken here. So integrating this P dx over P minus X is going to give the natural log of P minus X multiplied by 1 over whatever number's in front of X there. So 1 over minus 1, or just minus 1. And that will be between 0 and 5P over 8, and that will be equal to kt, integrating k times 1 dot dt between t and 0. So we're going to get minus the natural log of putting 5P over 8 in, P minus 5P over 8, and then minus 1, so it's going to be plus the natural log of just P. So turning this one around, just to have the plus first, we're going to get the natural log of P minus the natural log of 3/8 P, or 3P over 8, which will be the natural log of P over 3P over 8, which will be equal to the natural log of P times 8 over 3P. The p's will cancel, not the 3. So we're going to get the natural log of 8 over 3 is equal to k times t. The k was 1 over 50 times t. So we're going to get 50 by the natural log of 8 over 3 is equal to t. So in this case, time is equal to 49.0414. So 49.04, and t is in seconds. So now we have an alternate method, is to keep the mass of the dye present in water constant at p grams by continuously adding dye to the process. So we're not going to have any x here. We're just going to have dx dt is equal to kp. So find the time taken to dye the piece of cloth to the desired color using this method. So again, 5/8 P. So we should have dx dt is equal to k times p in this case. So find the time taken using this method. So we're going to get dx is equal to dx over p is equal to k times dt. I'm thinking it might actually be easier to leave the t across there. If I say pk dt over here and integrate this guy and this guy, we want to go from 0 to 5P over 8, and we're looking for the time, so 0 to t. So we're just going to get x over here between 0 and 5P over 8. Will be equal to pk times t, integrating 1, this invisible 1 that will be in here, and that will be between t and 0. So we're going to get 5P over 8 is equal to pkt dividing by p. I'm going to get t, I have 8 kt. Now I'm just doing one step. 8 kt is equal to 5, so t is equal to 5 over 8k, and k is 1 over 50, so the 50 will go on top. So that's going to be equal to 250 over 8, which is going to give me 31 and a quarter, 31.25 seconds for the second part of this question.